The capital of Maldives, Male is one of the smallest capital cities in the world. Surrounded by blue waters, it is the perfect place to escape the city's hustle. The first settlers in the Maldivian islands were Dravidians, who came from the modern Indian subcontinent's neighboring shores. From ancient times, comparative studies of Maldivian linguistic, oral and other cultural practices, as well as folklore, point to a deep Dravidian influence on Maldivian culture, centered on Kings Island. The Giravaru people of Giravaru claim to be descendants of the Maldivians' first Tamil settlers. Early Tamil settlers dubbed the islands Malai Tivu, which translates to Garland Islands or Chain Islands.
Alright, so this is a bit of a bonus. It's raining. I'm on an outside cafe nearby my hotel, and it's just pouring down. So I suppose it's the monsoon season. So yeah, it's fantastic.